been absolutely fantastic. There's been some great exhibitors here, from plastics to metals to assembly.
The show's been fantastic so far. We've met lots of different people, made some really good connections.
It's been really busy. We've had a lot of conversations with people, particularly about sustainability, so it's been a really good show. Yesterday I hardly had any voice left. We were talking so much.
Day one was phenomenal. The footfall was amazing right until the end of the show. The quality of the footfall's been excellent as well.
I think the biggest opportunity at the moment, not necessarily an opportunity, but what everybody's asking is what's going on in the UK. Big thing on everybody's minds is probably femtech, as well as AI.
Being able to look after people from their homes or where they're most comfortable, that's the big opportunity right now.
If you haven't attended, you need to attend. It's fantastic. Obviously for us, we've made a lot of relationships. In all honesty, we find it really worthwhile with regards to the leads that we get, the quality of leads.
On the side that we're doing, which is plastics, it's sustainability. So looking at recycling materials, recyclable materials, how you can improve your sustainability.
Innovation is becoming more difficult throughout the world, so there's a lot of opportunity there to provide safe, new, inventive solutions that the world hasn't seen before.
We've got such a great medtech sector here in the UK and into Ireland itself and across the world. We're the epicentre, really, for technology, innovation, and this show here just brings it all together.